Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe there are certain apps that aren't working on your Samsung Smart TV, or maybe you're giving your TV to someone and you need to go ahead and factory reset it. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's grab our remote and then click on Home, and then navigate to where it says Settings. So on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says General, and then in the General tab, you want to scroll down even more to where it says Reset. So once you click on Reset, you'll see the little tooltip that says all the settings will return to factory defaults. So once you do that, it's going to log you out of all your streaming apps such as Netflix, Disney+, Peacock. It's going to log you out all of the default apps as well. But that right there, guys, is essentially how to fully factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.